Are you prepared for a financial emergency? 64% of Americans can't cover a $1,000 expense. Let's change that. Building an emergency fund from zero requires discipline and patience. Start by setting a goal to save 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. Calculate your monthly expenses: rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. For example, if your monthly expenses are $3,000, aim to save $9,000 to $18,000. Next, create a budget that allocates 10% to 20% of your income towards savings. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% for necessities, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and debt repayment. Consider using a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Look for a high-yield savings account with a 2% APY or higher. Avoid commingling your emergency fund with your everyday spending money. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Transfer $100 to $500 per month, depending on your income and expenses. Take advantage of tax advantage accounts like a Roth IRA or a traditional IRA. Contribute up to $6,000 per year to a Roth IRA or $7,000 if you're 50 or older. Consider opening a savings account with a low-fee or no-fee structure. Avoid accounts with maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or ATM fees. Monitor your progress regularly and adjust your budget as needed. You can use a budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital to track your expenses. Don't be too hard on yourself if you miss a month or two. Get back on track and keep moving forward. Building an emergency fund takes time, but it's worth it. Having a safety net in place can reduce financial stress and anxiety. You'll be able to cover unexpected expenses without going into debt. Remember, an emergency fund is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Start building yours today. Here are 3 key takeaways. Save 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. Create a budget that allocates 10% to 20% of your income towards savings. And use a separate savings account for your emergency fund. Thanks for watching Smart Money Tips. Subscribe for more personal finance content and hit the notification bell.